Yo, you got the juice now, man.
What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. If you're here for the first time, I make tech videos weekly in 4K 60 frames a second, and I shoot on the wonderful GH5. So, if you're just joining us, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and smack that like button. I'd greatly appreciate that, and it helps my channel grow. Today, I've got the LG Tone Infinim. Now, you're not going to believe this, but I went to Foxwoods last week and I pulled a little piece of paper out of a box and I won these. It was just kind of a little crazy thing. They sent me an email for a mystery offer, and usually you win like a pot or a pan, but they had like 5 tables set up, and when I went in, I was sure I was going to win the pot or pan. And when I went in there, usually people like dig their hand in to like get the good one. I just grabbed the first piece of paper there, and I got table 3. Table 2 was a gift card, and I'm sure table 1 was like nobody was winning that. I'm sure it was like $1,000 or something. But this was table 3. You could have won like a smartwatch, but it wasn't like a really expensive smartwatch. It was like a tracker smartwatch, and these headphones and something else. So I don't really buy LG headphones anymore. If you watch some of my other videos, you'll know why. But it's mostly because every time I buy them, the earbuds go dead on me. And I think it's partly because the wiring they use is pretty thin. Now, if you like LG headphones, there's nothing against you. I love them. I love them to death. I love the way they look. I love the way they feel. I like the way they sound. It's a quality issue, and it's a warranty issue. Their warranty does not cover over a year, and they take about a month to fix, so that takes off your warranty when you send it back to them. So I don't have any grudge against LG or anything. I just think they have to make better products, and they have to cover them for longer periods of time. So if you're going to make a product that someone wears on their body every day, it has to last a little longer. So we are going to see what the build quality is of this. I'm pretty excited. It has some new features. As usual, the LG Tone Infinim, it has Harman Kardon signature sound. They design a lot of things in the audio world, and they've partnered up with LG, or LG has purchased the rights to using their name. So when you see their name on the product, it means it's going to have quality sound. It's been engineered to have quality sound. They've actually added tone bass, they're calling it. Tone bass, and it's a little notch on the earbud that you can actually turn. And that is actually increasing the bass just on the notch on the earbud. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to sound. We'll test it out. But it's actually going to increase the bass. You can turn that feature on and off by just clicking the earbud. I think it's more like a niche kind of feature. It's more of a gimmicky kind of thing, but it's cool. It's a welcomed feature in my eyes. I think it's cool. So then these also have advanced voice capture solution. So these basically are going to make your call quality better, and they're going to get rid of any ambient noise in the background. From what I've read and what I've researched, that's basically it. Metal layer speaker technology, experience less distortion for clearer highs and more natural sounding audio. Metal layer speaker technology, I'm not exactly sure what they're getting at there. Speakers are made out of metal, 2 layers to the speaker. Not exactly sure what they're getting at. I've heard this before with LG. I was hoping that when they said that the speaker wouldn't go dead on me, but it still did. So hopefully these have solved the problem with that issue that I was having. I'm actually going to put these to the test and see how long these actually last. My last Infinims, I have them in the other room. The earbud eventually did still go dead on me, unfortunately. We have body contoured lightweight design. So feel the comfort of contoured lightweight design. I have no idea why that needs to be on the box. They're just bragging about the design. LG was pretty much the first person to come out with this design. So sure, put it on the box, whatever. There's no need for that to be on the box. The design is, everyone's using this design now. Samsung is. Everyone's using this design now. So Pretty much, they're the same as they've always been. You got some buttons on the side. They've added this little black notch here. So I'm pretty excited to actually try these out because I really do like using LG headphones. They actually have an application that you can use them with. Battery life, it says music listening time up to 12 hours. And then we've got talk time up to 15 hours of talk time. LG kills it with the battery life with these things. Now, the battery must go all the way on the side of one of these, or for both sides, because the battery life is killer with these. And that's why I love this design, because I'm a truck driver, I'm on the road for 12 to 15 hours, and I need that battery life. So I love it, guys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring you guys over here, and we're going to get to unboxing these bad boys, and we're going to see what they look like. Let's go. We're here in front of the LG Tone Infinim, and I'm going to whip out the unboxing knife. Whoosh. Gotta love that sound, right? Whoosh. Whoosh. I bought this at the flea market. It was like the Rainham flea market. It was like, I actually overpaid for this. It was $5. Look at that skull. It's like the cheapest plastic ever. But this knife is badass. I mean, can't lie. Can't lie about that. Sharp as all hell, too. Plastic is cheap, but the knife is badass. So this is going to be Bluetooth 4.2. Right there, you can see that. Weight is 1.9 ounces. Operating range is 33 feet. Okay. And then it's going to open. Actually look like a book. Oh. Wow, that ruined the fun, didn't it? The headphones kind of just popped up. Okay, as you can see, there's a little silver there. And then we've got like almost like a weird kind of triangle package there. Not really digging it. And we've got some accessories. And let's see what we got in here. We've got the regular old USB cable. Still have not gone to USB-C. Still regular old micro USB. And we've got some regular earbuds. I think they put the small ones on there. Looks like they give you some earbuds to replace it. And nice little gel earbuds, black, so they'll show your ear crust very well on there. Just kidding, guys, but you know the deal. Unboxing is a very dangerous job, let me tell you. I've already cut my finger doing this, so make sure you guys like and subscribe because I've very dangerously cut myself doing this job for you guys. So I'm out here, guys. So then we have the headphones here. Very nice headphones. Not bad looking headphones, I must say. The wire comes out. And this is my main problem with these LG headphones, is the wire is so thin. The wire is so thin and they end up busting, like they end up getting frayed right over here. And the problem is after a while the earbuds go dead because this is like, look at this. This is so thin. Now, just for comparison, just indulge me for a moment here. You hit the button. These go back in. It's really cool. It's nifty, sure. Nifty thing. So you got your call button there. You've got your volume button here, and if you hold it, it'll tell you the battery. And if you hold it this way, it'll turn vibrate on for the headphones or turn it off. And this is where you charge it, right here, micro USB. Okay, very simple. Very simple to get to use these headphones. This will answer the call and hang up the call, and this will press play on your music. It's a very simple design. I really like the design. And this is your tone base here. So you can turn this on or off by just clicking it. It does have a click to it, so you can feel it. Not a bad design. And then when you want to put these back, you just press the button there. It's just not very responsive, but it works. It works when there's gravity holding it together. Okay, just indulge me for a second here. Hold on. Okay, these are Samsung headphones, and these are LG headphones. And just take a look at the size of the wiring on the LG. Now you'll see that the LGs are like spaghetti. They're like angel hair spaghetti. And the Samsungs are big fat boys. So that's the reason I've been using these for since before Christmas. And these things have been hanging. They don't even retract. They just hang. So that means they've been getting banged around all over the place, and there's no sign of wear and tear. Not because anyone's a better company, it's just because, you can clearly see here that this is not working. I mean, look at this. Look at these headphones. I mean, they're just so thin. These are so thin. It's not working. I mean, these don't last, for me anyways. Now I want to ask a question to you guys. Do these LG headphones last for you guys? I mean, because I wear them for about 6 months, and then one of the headphones either gets soft or it completely dies on me. So I want to pass the question off to you guys. Do these LG headphones last for you guys? Because I've been having a problem with them for years because of how thin they are. So I love the design of them, other than the thinness of the cord, and I want to pass it off to you guys. Do you guys have any issues with these LG headphones? And I want to ask your opinion if you've also tried these, if you have the problem with these, because I don't like the way they just swing like this, but I do like the fact that they have lasted for me. So I'm gonna give these a try, and we'll see how they work and everything. And I'm gonna attach them to my phone right now, and we'll test out the bass, and I'll let you guys know how it sounds right now in the video. So I'll see you up top. Okay guys, I just tested these bad boys out, and to be completely honest, the bass on these things is insane. It's like once you turn this knob, the bass is already so loud on these tiny little headphones. I cannot tell the difference when I turn this little knob. I tried multiple times. I tried about 10 different times, and I cannot tell the difference. Maybe it's because it was on a bass-heavy song. I was listening to New Freezer by featuring Kendrick Lamar. It sounded exactly the same. So, I mean, I'm not really sure what the purpose of this thing is. If anything, the battery in this headphones can handle more bass, so it's a good thing. So these headphones sound pretty good. The bass is a little bit distorted, but overall I think they're better than the last year's model because I did have them. So I like these ones a little bit better. The bass does sound better, and they're more powerful sounding. The sound sounds clearer, sounds more powerful. The battery is more powerful. You're going to get more battery time. I just think this might be more of a gimmick. So if you have them and you've tried them and you think it works for you, let me know down in the comments. I've only had a few minutes with them, so I can't really go off that, and I only listened to one song. I just really wanted to give you my feedback, just so you don't, think that this is like a, go for broke type of feature, like you're going to be having a blast with it. I really didn't notice much of a difference right off the jump from it, and I'm not like an LG hater or anything. Like I said, I do love LG. I'm just kind of sad that I've had bad luck with these headphones. So I did purchase them for many, many years, and I do love the design of them, and I'm really, really hoping that these do last for me. Like I said, I did win these at Foxwoods, so shout out to Foxwoods Resort Casino in Connecticut. I do visit them frequently, and I was lucky enough to win these in a mystery event. So shouts out to Foxwoods. And I would like to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I make tech videos weekly, and you can follow me at social media at PizzlesTechTime. and I would greatly appreciate if you did subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.